Unlocking the power of ginger water. In the journey of wellness, nature indeed provides the best remedies. One such natural powerhouse is ginger water, the unsung hero often found in Asian kitchens. Let's dive into the health benefits of this rejuvenating drink. Ginger water aids in digestion. It soothes the stomach, reducing feelings of bloating and gas. A glass of ginger water before meals can improve digestion, making your meals more enjoyable and satisfying. This magical drink is also a weight loss ally. It boosts your metabolism and helps in calorie burning. Regular intake of ginger water could be your secret weapon in achieving your weight loss goals. Ginger water is a potent anti-inflammatory. It helps reduce inflammation and soothes pain, making it beneficial for people with arthritis. This drink can be a natural way to ease the discomfort and improve joint function. Flush out toxins with ginger water. It enhances the body's ability to naturally detoxify, promoting better liver function. This can lead to improved overall health and vitality, giving you that much desired glow. Boost your immunity with a daily dose of ginger water. It's packed with antioxidants, fighting off harmful free radicals and boosting your body's ability to fight diseases. Ginger water can be an effective remedy for nausea and vomiting. Whether from motion sickness, pregnancy, or even chemotherapy, this simple natural remedy can provide much-needed relief. Ginger water may also protect against chronic diseases. Studies suggest it could help lower blood sugar levels and reduce heart disease risk factors. A delicious drink that also protects your heart. Count us in. Ginger water is a friend to your brain too. It might help enhance cognitive function and protect against age-related decline in brain health. Who knew this humble drink could be a potent brain booster? Did you know drinking ginger water can contribute to better skin health? It's true. Its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties can help clear and brighten your skin, giving you a natural, healthy glow. Yet another benefit of ginger water is its potential to soothe menstrual pain. Women suffering from cramps can seek relief from a warm cup of this comforting drink. In conclusion, ginger water is a simple, potent, and versatile natural remedy. It's time to make it a part of your daily routine. Enjoy the taste and reap the benefits of this amazing super drink.